Hello, everybody, and welcome to Music Game Monday, or whichever day you're watching. We're going to explore our featured music game website for this week, which is Music Play Online. This is the resource that we use at our school in music class. It is free to students, though, through this very special login. So we're going to go to musicplayonline.com. We're going to put in Snow as our username and 2020 as our password. Once we get into Music Play, there are games on the right-hand side. I'm going to give you the recommended games for kindergarten. I recommend 3 games. Beat or no beat? That is the question. Loud, quiet, and fast, slow game. We have done these 3 games in class. Then you want to go to the top and click on kindergarten. It will pull up a list of songs to your left. And the songs that we've done in class are number 7, This Is My Speaking Voice. Number 8, Who Stole the Cookie from the Cookie Jar? Number 9, Follow, Follow Me. 13, loud voice, quiet voice. 19, color song. 23, hey, hey, look at me. 38, grumpy grizzly. Oh, that's a favorite one. All the way down to 99 if you're happy, and 112, leprechaun march. So, kindergarten parents, please feel free to leave me a comment or send me an email on which game or song was your child's favorite. All right, now we're going to go to first grade. The first grade games that I recommend are 5 games. The first 2 we have done in class, Beat or No Beat and Loud Quiet Game. I also think that first graders can handle What Instrument Do You Hear? High Low and Fast Slow Game. Then you want to go to the top, click on grade 1, and these are the songs that we have done in class. Number 1, Doobie 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 Doo. We've also done number 6, The Music Time Is Over. All the way down to number 80, Lucky Leprechaun. And 105, Charlie Over the Ocean. We've done a lot of things outside of music play, but you're welcome to try any one of those songs. Then you want to go down to the bottom left, click on Units, then Dance, and then Grade 1. The dances that we have done in first grade are, students may not recognize this name, La Raspa from Mexico, but we did do the Mexican hat dance, which is very similar to this. Wait until you hear the music. We've also done 7 jumps from Denmark, Sasha from Russia, and Chimes of Dunkirk from France. We did these dances at our winter concert. Moving on to grade 2. If you look in the top left corner, oh, and by the way, first grade parents, please leave me a comment or send me an email as to which activity was your student's favorite. Moving on to second grade games. We have done a lot of things outside of music play, like playing different instruments and different songs, so we really haven't touched on any games. But I want to recommend 7 games from music play that I know second graders can handle. So here they are. What instrument do you hear? Up and down. Beat or no beat. Loud, quiet. Rhythm racing. Oh, that should be a fun one. High, low. And fast and slow. All right, if you go to the top, click on grade 2. Like I said, in grade 2, we have not done a lot in music play because we've been doing a lot outside of music play. But for the song list, 2A is a song you definitely want to work on, especially if you're interested in singing in the chorus in 3rd grade. My Country 'Tis of Thee is our audition song for chorus. Then you want to go all the way down to number 68, and we have done the St. Patrick's Day jig. That's a fun one. Then you click on units in the bottom left, dance, grade 2, scroll down to La Raspa, the Mexican hat dance, and Sasha from Russia. Students are very familiar with those. Okay, 2nd grade parents, please leave me a comment or an email as to which activity was your student's favorite. Moving on to 3rd grade. For 3rd grade, we have done one of the games, Note Name Memory, in our recorder centers. However, I recommend 10 games for 3rd grade, and they are: which rhythm do you hear? Instruments of the orchestra. What instrument do you hear? Up and down. Beat or no beat. Loud, quiet. Rhythm racing. High, low, and fast, slow games. Then in the top, you want to click grade 3, which will take you to some of the songs we have done. Like number 6, Plainsies, Clapsies. This is a fun one you can do with a small bean bag or a small ball or something small and soft, maybe even a small stuffed animal. We've also done 24, Pass the Broom. Number 36, Shake Them Simmons Down. Everyone should remember that. And all the way down to 104, the Star-Spangled Banner. This is one that our 3rd grade chorus sang at the Delaware Bluecoats game. Then you can click on Units, Dance, Grade 3, and scroll down to the song Students Should Know La Raspa from Mexico and Sasha from Russia. Also for 3rd grade, I would recommend the recorder page. So you want to click on Recorder in the top left, and to the right are some recorder tools that are very, very helpful, such as recorder videos, PDF files, and interactive boards. To the left, there are a slew of recorder songs, but I would highly recommend you start from the top with notes B, A, and G. Parents, please leave me a comment or send me an email as to which 3rd grade activities were your students' favorite. Okay, I believe that wraps up everything about Music Play Online that we have explored. So happy music playing!